Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to find common values between two lists in Excel using the filter and COUNTIF functions. We'll be using a practical example with payroll list and training attended list. Plus, we will also show you how to find the distinct values to identify employees who haven't attended the training. So let's get started. So in this example, we have two lists. One is the payroll list and another is the training attended list. Our goal is to find out the employees who have attended the training and those who have not attended the training. So the first thing we will do here in this case is we will click anywhere in the data in the payroll list. Then we will press Ctrl A on the keyboard and this will select all of the data in the payroll list. Then we will click Ctrl. Then we will press Ctrl T on the keyboard and hit enter. This will convert the payroll list into an official Excel table. The same thing we will do for the training attended list. We will press Ctrl A on the keyboard, then Ctrl T and hit enter. This will again convert all of the data in the training attended list into an official Excel table. Now for convenience, we will rename these tables. This one, the payroll list, we will name it payroll list, payroll underscore list, hit enter. And training attended list also we will rename it. And the table design, we have the table name. Here we will rename it, we'll name it attended. Hit enter on the keyboard. So these tables have now been renamed. Now we can easily use these names in formulas and functions to refer to these tables. Now our objective in this example is to find out the list of employees who have attended the training and the list of employees who have not attended training. So let us break this example into steps and solve one step at a time. Firstly, we will look at those who have attended the training. So we will use the COUNTIF function here. Then for COUNTIF function, we have to pass two arguments. One is the range and another is the criteria. For range, you will pass the training attended list. So this is the training attended list, which we have named it as attended. And for criteria, you will pass the payroll list as the argument. So this is the payroll list here. Close the COUNTIF function, hit enter on the keyboard. So here you have 0 for those who have not attended the training and 1 for those who have attended the training. For example, Bella Martinez, for Bella Martinez it is 0 here. That means she has not attended the training. As you can see from the training attended list, she is nowhere. Same goes for Carlos Rivera. She is nowhere in the training attended list. Again, for the third value, for Diana Lee, let's check it here. She is here, Diana Lee. So this is 1 for her. That means she has attended the training. For the fourth value, it is again 0. Fifth value, it is again 0. Sixth value, it is Henry Patel here. Henry Patel has attended the training. So Henry Patel is here. Now in the next step in this video, let's convert these zeros and ones into true and false values. For that, I will go here in the formulas tab and press equal to 1 on the keyboard and hit enter. This will convert all of these values, zeros and ones, into true and false values. Attended false means they have not attended, and attended true means they have attended. Now for not attended, again we will use the COUNTIF function. Our range will again be attended and the criteria will be payroll list, but this time it must be equal to 0. Hit enter. So this time not attended true means they have not attended and not attended false means they have attended. So far so good. In the next step, we simply have to use the filter function to get the actual list of names. So here is how we will get the actual list of names. We will click on this cell here, which contains the formula. Then in the formulas tab, we will add the filter function. Press tab. Then the first criteria for the filter function is the array. So we have to filter the payroll list. That means we will type payroll list here, then a comma, then the COUNTIF function will be as usual as it is. Then we will here in the end close the filter function, then hit enter on the keyboard. Here we have the list of those employees who have attended the training. Now again, for not attended also we will do the same thing. We will click on the first cell here which contains the formula. Then in the formulas tab we will add the filter function at the start. Then for array we will use the payroll list, then a comma, then the COUNTIF function as usual. Then we will close the filter function in the end, hit enter on the keyboard. So here we have the list of employees who have not attended the training. Now let's check the results. In the payroll list we have a value X which is not in the training attended list, so X is displaying as not attended. Now let's add this X value again in the training attended list and see what happens when we add X here. So here you have the X value in the attended list. Now again let's add one more value in the payroll list, Y. Since it is not in the training attended list, Y appears here in the not attended list. Then again when we add the Y value in the training attended list and hit enter on the keyboard, it displays in the attended list. So this is how you can compare two lists in Microsoft Excel and find out the list of values from the first list which are also in the second list, or the list of values from the first list which are not in the second list. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Keep supporting, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.